Today, I wanted to share with you an easy science project that you can complete with your kids. Not only is the prep easy, but the experiment is simple enough for little ones to join in. You need a clear mason jar, shaving cream, water, and food coloring. Fill the jar with water. This acts as air. Add a thin layer of shaving cream. This is the clouds and water vapor. Place drops of blue food coloring on the top of the shaving cream. These will act as your water droplets. Now wait for the rain to fall. This activity shows how the water gets heavier on the top of the cloud and gravity makes it fall as rain. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.